Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to enable and use mono audio on your iPhone. Mono audio combines left and right stereo audio channels into one, ensuring you hear the same audio in both ears, especially useful for those with hearing impairments or when using single earbud. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. And then you have to choose the accessibility option. And then you have to scroll down to the hearing section and then select the audio and visual option. And then you have to turn on the toggle right next to mono audio. By default, it is turned off, meaning your iPhone plays stereo audio. To enable mono audio, all you have to do is just turn on its toggle. And once enabled, the iPhone will play the same audio content through both the left and right channels. Additionally, if needed, you can also adjust the balance slider located below the mono audio toggle. This slider lets you shift the audio balance more toward the left or right channel, giving you control how the audio sounds best on your preference or hearing ability. And once you have made these changes, exit the Settings app and you are all set. Mono audio will now work for music, videos, calls, and any other audio content on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.